Yeah, wind is going pretty good now. You can't really tell it right in front of me because I'm on the side of the building that's blocked from the wind, so luckily we don't really feel it all that much. But you can see it kind of going across the top of our pond, which, by the way, is a good 4 feet or so higher than it normally is right now. And it's going to be pretty close to flooding over probably late morning, early afternoon today, because it's now past midnight, so it's Thursday. And yeah, got a little bit of flooding by our door, but not much. I don't really see that being a problem, but yeah, it's pretty active around here.